Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, after getting temperatures well into the 70s on Saturday, of course, the reality has set in. If anything, our temperatures this week running below average. The nights especially cold, well below freezing. We'll take a peek outside. What a gorgeous picture if you're not looking at your TV set at home. This is Easton's Beach. The sun just inches above the horizon right now. Sunset time is at 4:25 and not a cloud to be found. So clear, cold and dry. No weather issues with precipitation. That cold rain that we're forecasting is actually later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. High temperatures today. This is the best we can do. Incredible considering how warm it was on Saturday and 30 degrees colder today. High temperature in Providence at 45. Keep in mind, the average high for this time of year is 54, this white line right in here. And you can clearly see now, these are the afternoon temperatures that we're forecasting. We're well below that. So chilly afternoons and much colder late nights. Yeah, the furnace is kicking on and working overtime this week. Temperatures now are in the lower 40s. That includes 42 in Providence. Skies are generally clear across New England, and really the eastern third of the country is fairly dry. This is our next system across the Central Plains and Deep South, an area of moisture that'll track north and east. Now we've got the cold air in place. So northern New England getting several inches of snow out of this, and we could actually see a few wet snowflakes mixed in with generally a cold rain. It's not it may be the season's first snowflakes, but it's not the season's first snowstorm. So we take this into the future and watch the time bar right up in here. So sunshine, chilled sunshine tomorrow morning. Morning commute looks dry. Kids heading out to school. Heavier coats, obviously. Some slow increase in the cloud cover during the afternoon, but dry. This is 4 o'clock. Precipitation approaching Pennsylvania. It's later tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. This cold rain working in, but north and west of Providence, Foster, Gloucester, Pasco, Burrillville, northeast Connecticut, up into the Berkshires. Some wet snowflakes mixing in. Again, it's primary. In fact, it's all really rain for us, and this will extend into early morning on Wednesday. Yeah, we're pulling out the season's first accumulation map of snow. And notice this is essentially northern New England. However, northwest hills of Connecticut, north of the Mass Pike, western Mass, the Berkshires, some of the high elevations may pick up an inch or two of some snow, but for us, it is cold rain and umbrellas. So for tomorrow morning, chilly start, in fact, very cold, 7 o'clock in the morning. Look at that, 29, 11 a.m., 41 with plenty of sunshine. We'll start to see clouds increasing during the afternoon, but we'll call it on average partly sunny, but the high temps running a solid 10 degrees below average. Bay forecast with unlimited visibility on a northeast breeze, very light 5 to 10 knots. High tide Newport Harbor at about 12:30. All right, 7-day forecast showing clear, colder weather tonight. Tomorrow day, the daylight hours, it looks dry. The rain, I'm saying the first raindrops around 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. And again, Foster, Gloucester, Burrillville, the northern part of the state, maybe a couple of hours of some wet snowflakes mixed in with cold rain. Chilly, raw on Wednesday morning, a little drier in the afternoon. The rest of the week is cold and dry. Afternoons only in the 40s, and the nighttime temperatures upper 20s to lower 30s. Kim.